Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use InShot's speed control to create slow motion videos. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app here. Now tap on video, then tap on new. Here select the video. After selecting your video, scroll like this. In here you guys will find out speed option. Then you guys can control your speed like this. If you guys want to split the video and then you guys want to customize the speed of your video, you guys can also do this. I'm going to split this video and then at the last I'm going to grow the speed. And in here you guys can also use curve option. First refresh it and then customize the speed of your video like this. This process is very simple. So this is how you guys can control the speed of your video by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.